Free Landing Page Builder by Marcom Robot. Free Landing Page Builder by Marcom Robot is best suited for entrepreneurs and lead generation professionals on a budget. It has everything you need to create high-converting landing pages, analyze their performance, and maximize the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, at no cost to your business. And even on the free plan, there's no limit on the number of landing pages that you can create. Get started with our out-of-the-box templates, or create your own custom landing pages from scratch using our drag-and-drop no-code builder. It's so easy. You simply drag and drop the components onto the canvas, move them around, and adjust if needed. Preview the results and see how your page looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Do you already have your own domain? Great! You can publish your landing pages to it. Alternatively, you can use our free demo domain, in case you don't have your own one yet. Actionable landing page analytics is readily available for you to give you the full visibility into how your landing pages are performing. Even on the free plan, you get access to the most advanced landing page analytics engine on the market. Track your traffic, visitors, conversions, and conversion rate by day, week, month, device, country, browser, and operating system. Check your landing page speed and optimize your pages for best performance. Get your free landing page builder. Activate your free plan by visiting marcomrobot.com today.